So just to give a little bit of a review of 2022 as we're sort of approaching the end of the year, some of the things that we have found, really that we have learned from our students at the Event School London, and these are things that they're feeding back to us because they work in industry, in roles, in event management for all sectors of the business community. We're really looking at sort of two big learnings. One is that there's a great need for more staff in the events industry. There's a lot of people that are that left in the events industry due to COVID, and so those roles are opening up, and the events industry is really booming. And the second thing is that we are needing to actually entice our guests to our events. Because of COVID and people work from home, they really need to see value if they're going to leave the house and go to a special event and get dressed up. So we have to give them more immersive and interesting experiences. So whether it's using technology, gamification, or even just, good service experiences and immersive experiences, that's really how you're going to entice people to your events and give them value.